Live from the center of Hollywood, from the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel, the California Artists Radio Theater presents Walt Whitman, Sweet Bird of Freedom by Will Manus. Starring Rene Auberjonois, Lois Nettleton, Anne Rogers, Richard Erdman, Thomas MacGreevy, and William Windom. The program is adapted, produced, and directed by Peggy Weber. And now, Walt Whitman by Will Manus, with a special score composed by Kevin Bassenson and performed by Kevin Bassenson.
A perfect writer would make words sing, dance, kiss, do the male and female act, bear children, weep, bleed, rage, stab, steal, fire cannons, steer ships, sack cities, charge with the cavalry or infantry, or do anything that man or woman or natural powers can do. A child said, "What is the grass?" fetching it to me with full hands. How could I answer the child? I do not know what it is any more than he. I guess it must be the flag of my disposition out of hopeful green stuff.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?